Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to send documents using Gmail. First, log into your Gmail account. Once in your inbox, click the Compose button in the top left corner to start a new email. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the To field and add a clear subject line, like Requested Documents. You can also write a short message in the body to give context. Now, let's attach your documents. Click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the email window. Browse your computer, select the files you want to send, and confirm your selection. You can choose multiple files by holding Control on Windows or Command on Mac. Wait for the upload to complete, then double-check your email, ensuring the recipient, subject, and attachments are correct. Finally, click Send. Your documents are now on their way, and that's it. Sending documents through Gmail is quick, easy, and secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next